Hi guys, welcome back in Learn Founding series. Today we are diving into the what happened. If every person is speaking like Sherlock Holmes, then their all things are like a mess, right? Well, let's start. Today we are diving into strategy number 4, and that is all about giving our models some time to think. Let's break it down into simple tactics with easy to follow examples. Tactic 1: instruct the model to work out its own solution. Alright. Imagine you are a tutor evaluating a student's math problem. Instead of asking the model straight up if the solution is correct, first ask it work out its own solution. This way, it thinks it through before giving an answer. Let me show you how. In the example prompt or tactic 1, user query like this: I am building a solar power installation and I need help working out the financials. The following details are: land cost $100 per square feet. I can buy solar panels for $250 per square foot. I negotiated a contract for maintenance that will cost me a flat 100k dollar per year and an additional $10 per square foot. What is the total cost for the first year of operation as a function number of square feet? So the student solution is like let x be the size of installation in square feet. Land cost 100x, solar panel cost 250x, maintenance cost 1 lakh plus 100x. So the total cost is 100x plus 250x plus 1 lakh plus 100x is equals to 450x plus 1 lakh. Assistant says here the student's solution is correct, but the student's solution is actually not correct. We can get the model to successfully notice this by prompting the model to generate its own solution first. First, work out your own solution to the problem. Then compare your solution to the student's solution and evaluate if the student's solution is correct or not. Don't decide if the student's solution is correct until you have done the problem yourself. Here users say problem statements: I am building a solar power station and all of that like same. And here students solution is incorrect. We already see that. Now the assistant give their own solution. Let x be the size of installation in square feet. Land cost 100x, solar panel cost 250x, maintenance cost 1 lakh plus 10x. So the total cost is 100x plus 250x plus 1 lakh plus 10x is equals to 360x plus 1 lakh. The student solution is incorrect. They made an error in the maintenance cost calculation using 100x instead of 10x. The current total cost for the first year of operation is 360 plus 1 lakh. Tactic 2: use inner monologue or a sequence of queries. Now, sometimes the model reasoning process is like a magician's secret. It's better kept hidden. So we use inner monologue. It is like telling the model to keep some parts behind the curtain before revealing the magic trick. Check this out. Example scenario for tactic 2. Here system says you are a math tutor. If the student made an error, offer a hint to the student in a way that does not reveal the answer. If the student did not make an error, simply offer them an encouraging comment. Tactic number 3. Ask the model if it missed anything on previous passes. Lastly, imagine you are sifting through a document and you want to make sure the model did not miss any important beat. We can ask it to double check the document. Let me illustrate. Example scenario for tactic 3. I will be giving you a document delimited by triple quotes. Your task is to select points which pertain to the following question. Put your question there that you want to ask related to the document content. So that is strategy number 4, giving our models some thinking time. It's like letting your computer friend mull things over before giving you an answer. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Until next time, keep learning, keep perfecting yourself.